Okay, this is where we last stopped the previous time. Okay, this is where we last stopped the previous time. Okay, this is where we last stopped. Then let's just start again, just as a reminder. This is how it looks like. More slides. And one thing we've got to notice is that let me just go here. Just put it back to where it was, so you guys can see this is where it was. Then automatically, whenever we launch our programs, it starts at slide 2. So what I want us to do is just to change this so it starts at the first slide. So we're going to change that to initial slide. We're going to make it 0. This is on slide component TS. This is the speed, meaning moving from slide to slide. This is in milliseconds, 400 milliseconds. You can decide to increase that if you want to. If you don't put it automatically, it will put a default one, the speed that is. Now what I want us to do is, I want us to put, so you can see now whenever it launches, it starts at slide number 0. I want us to put a button here, a start button. So let me go to Ionic Framework. And put a block button, and that button will put it on the start this point in time, of course. So let me show you how I put this. Let me go back to my slide, because I had already put this down there. So that. So this is how it still looks like. So once we've done that, we'll go to the slides module. And what we want to do is put a button here at the bottom. So I will go to start. Here's, it's called app start. So I'm gonna go put the tag app start just below the slide, like we did when we put the slide app on the welcome page. So once I do that, then I should be able to see a button here. Here's the button, start. And this button, when I click on it, I want it to take me to the login button. So let me just code that whenever I click on this button, it takes me to the login button. But let me go to the start. I'm sure we still remember how we create a function. Just call it login at this point in time, because when we click, I want to take me to login. And then from here, it's this dot router, like we did, dot navigate, open, login. And all I have to do now is call this function. The login function. You can see now I just need to change back these colors, because I changed this. Just go back, because I had made some changes to the program, so I just need to double check and change them. Now what I want to do is I want the color of the button to complement the button. So let me open this so I can steal the color. So because I don't have an editing software, so let me just come here and I'm gonna edit this with 3D. It comes with Microsoft, so I can steal the color. Selected. Pick this color. So I have the color here. So let me come here, copy this color. So what I'll do is I'll go back to my program. all these colors are found here under the theme button on variables. These are all the colors here. So what I'll do is you can see we have all of these different colors. And let me still this one. I'll just change this one for now. You can see the color has changed, so I'm gonna use success. So I'll put it on success. So let me see if I go to my button now and make a change there and put a color. And see if it complements that. Now you can see the color complements the button. So let me do the same thing because I remember you can see if you go to the login button, the color is warning, and if you were to go to the variables here, you'll see warning has this color yellow, and you can see on the toolbar here the color is warning. So meaning when you click to the button here, the color you'll see here is warning. And you'll see at this point in time, even the click function, once it is clicked, it becomes green. So we can also change that. The reason it becomes green is if we were to go to this color on success, we can see the shade and the tint has a greenish color, so it changes to this color. So if I wanted to change that, I can perhaps come here, select a lighter color, so when I click it becomes it has a lighter color. So go to my there's a bit of a lighter shade. So let me go back. You can see now when I click on start, it has a bit of a lighter shade. It's no longer a green color that we used to have. So let me change this to success also, so that I don't have a problem. Login. So it just complements. So login, you can see it has we can also change it to be capital letters, so everything is this. So it becomes consistent. The start button is yellow, I mean it's capital letters, therefore let's also just make the login button to be capital letters. The same thing can also be done with the background of home. See, I put a dark color on home. How did I put a dark color? If I were to go to the home page, you can see here on the toolbar I said color,